Welcome back, car enthusiasts. Today, we have an absolute masterpiece of engineering and design, the all-new Bugatti Tourbillon. This is not just a car, it's a statement on wheels, a testament to what happens when technology meets luxury. So, buckle up, because we're diving deep into everything that makes the Bugatti Tourbillon a true marvel. Let's start with the exterior. The Bugatti Tourbillon is a stunning two-door coupe that commands attention from every angle. Its dimensions, 178.9 inches in length, 80.2 inches in width, and 46.4 inches in height, give it a formidable presence on the road. The sleek lines and aerodynamic profile are not just for show, they enhance performance and stability at high speeds. Now, let's talk numbers. The Bugatti Tourbillon comes with an estimated base price of $4.3 million. Yes, you heard that. Right, this beauty is priced for the elite, but when you see what it offers, you'll understand why. Under the hood, the Tourbillon features an 8.3-liter DOH C64 valve V16 engine, producing a jaw-dropping 986 horsepower and 664 lb-ft of torque. And that's not all. It also boasts two 335 HP electric motors, one at the front and one at the rear, bringing the total combined output to an astonishing 1,775 horsepower. This hybrid setup not only provides blistering performance, but also adds to the car's all-wheel drive capabilities. The transmission system is just as impressive. The front motors are paired with a 1-speed automatic transmission, while the rear engine is connected to an 8-speed twin-clutch automatic transmission. This ensures seamless power delivery and an exhilarating driving experience. Performance-wise, the Bugatti Tourbillon rockets from 0 to 60 mph in just 2.0 seconds. Yes, you heard that right, 2 seconds flat. This makes it one of the fastest production cars in the world. Imagine the thrill of that launch. Inside, the Tourbillon offers unparalleled luxury. The cabin is designed for 2 passengers, with top-of-the-line materials and craftsmanship evident in every detail. The seats are ergonomically designed for comfort, ensuring you stay snug even when pushing the car to its limits. Despite its heavy curb weight of 4,500 pounds, the Tourbillon handles like a dream, thanks to its advanced aerodynamics and state-of-the-art suspension system. The 107.8-inch wheelbase provides a perfect balance between stability and agility. Now, while we don't have the EPA ratings yet for fuel economy and range, it's safe to say that the focus here is on performance and luxury. However, the hybrid setup should offer some benefits in terms of efficiency compared to traditional supercars. Looking to get your hands on this piece of automotive art? The Bugatti Tourbillon is set to go on sale in the summer of 2026. Mark your calendars, because this is one car you won't want to miss. That's all for today's review of the Bugatti Tourbillon. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth car reviews, and leave a comment below on what feature impressed you the most. Until next time, drive safe and stay passionate.